Okay. Okay. Uh, in today's lecture, we are going to start with a subtraction. So last time also we have seen the subtraction. Let me change the pen. Last time also we have seen the subtraction using ekadhikena purvena formula. Using ekadhikena purvena formula. And today also we are going to do a subtraction using the formula called as एकन्यूनेन पूर्वेण एक सॉरी एकन्यूनेन पूर्वेण एकन्यूनेन पूर्वेण that means one less than before. One less than before. So if you want to get a previous value, जर तुम्हाला आधीची व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे असेल तर तुमचा you have to reduce one from the present value, you will get the previous value. This is what the meaning of ekanyunena purvena. So using this formula we are going to take a subtraction. uh, we are going to calculate a subtraction. So let us consider the example of subtraction of ekanyunena purvena. Let us consider the example. A simple example will take 26 minus 19. 26 minus 19 is the simplest example that we will consider. I'll change the color. So I'll take this one. Okay. Now let us start with the unit place. Let us start with the unit place. So 6 minus 9. So first step is here I'll write down the step 6 minus 9. So that comes out to be minus 3. So that comes out to be minus 3, isn't it? So 6 minus 9 is minus 3 because what we'll do, we simply do a subtraction like this, a greater number minus a small number, and whatever the value we will get and whatever the sign of that greater number is there, that greater number is given. So here this looks like this. So the answer is minus 3. Okay, so the answer is, since is minus, so answer is minus. What I'll do, I'll put a dot below this one. I'll put a dot below this one, and what below the upper number, below the minute, okay, below the minuend. So below the minuend I'll put a dot. So what will be here, here it is minus 3. So this is 10 less 2, uh, uh, 3 less to 10. This is what the meaning of that. Then if I'll take 10 minus 3, what will be the complement number? What will be the definition of this one? So that becomes out to be 7. So I'll write 7 over here. So this minus 3, so actually it is considered to be 16 minus 9. So 16 minus 9, you can see it is 7. Okay. So actual meaning is that, so this minus 3, simply minus it from the 10 number and I'll get it the 7 number. Actually, you might be remembering that 1 9, then 2 8, 3 7, 6 4 and 6, 5 and 5 are the complementary numbers. 5 and 5 are the complementary numbers, and 0 and 10 are the complementary numbers. So I'll take the complementary number of that one. So this is the 3, and this minus indicate that you have to reduce 1 from the minuend, the previous number. 1 from the previous number. So this minus will indicate that this should be the second step should be you have to reduce 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 is 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. So answer comes out to be 0.7. This is how you can start with. Okay, I'll explain it once again. मी परत एकदा सांगतोय. 6 मधून 9 वजा करायचे आहेत आपल्याला. यू वॉन्ट टू मायनस द 9 फ्रॉम 6. सो 9 इज ग्रेटर दॅन. So 9 is greater than. So what you'll do? So you will simply take a negative sign -3. So what is this -3 is there? So this minus will be taken as a dot over here. So put a dot over here below minuend, so that you have to remember that you have to reduce 1 from the minuend. So this minus will indicate that one. So this 3 you simply subtract it, or you take the complementary number of that one and put here as a answer. So that answer is the complementary of this negative sign. So negative number. So that complementary number is the positive number, and this 7 you will write it over here, and that minus will be indicated as a dot over here, and 2 minus 1 will be 1, and 1 minus 1, so 2 minus 1 is this one, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is how you are going with a subtraction. This is how you are going with a subtraction. So this is called as a ekanyuna purvena. Ekanyunena purvena. So this is the formula used. Ek neuron means one less than previous. So here you are minus, you are putting -1 over here. Okay. So this is how you are going. Now we'll take a next example. Now let us consider the another example over here. Let us consider that 8, 5, 4, 3, 3, 7, 8, 2. So you want to put a minus with a formula of ekanyunena purvena. Okay, using that formula, how you are going to start now? Now I'll do it with a different color. Now 3 minus 2 is simple, you put it 1. Now here the 4, okay, I'll write the steps so that you can understand. 3 minus 2 is simple one, so it does not require any. Now 2. So 4 minus 8. Okay. Now 4 minus 8 is what? -4. So -4 means you are going to put a dot below this 5 number. You are going to put a dot below these 5 numbers. So this should be 10 minus 4. That is the complement. You will get the difference of this one. You simply write it over here as a 6. Okay. Now the third step, you have to reduce the number of 1, number 5 by 1. So that becomes a 4. Now next step is 4 minus 7 you will be taking. So this is by the formula of ekadikena, ekanyunena. Using this formula you are reducing 5 by 1, and you will be getting this formula 4 minus 7 is equal to, now again this 7 is greater, so that comes out to be -3. That comes out to be -3. So you are going to put a dot because minus answer is there. So you are going to put a dot over there. Now 10 minus 3. So that comes out to be 7. So write a 7 over here. Now, okay. Now fourth one is you have to reduce 8 by 1 by ekanyunena purvena formula. So that becomes out to be 7. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. So this is how you are going to solve the formula. You are going to solve the answer for subtraction by ekanyunena purvena formula. Ekanyunena purvena formula. Okay. Uh, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll explain one more example. So let us consider the example. 4, 9, 8, 7, 5, 2, 8, 9, 9, 9. So what we'll do, you do the subtraction by Eka Nunena Purvena method, and with a different color. So let me take this color. Now the first step is 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9. Okay. Now 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So since sign is minus, I'm going to put a dot below this 7. I'm going to put a dot below this 7. Now simply 10 minus 4 is what? Is equal to 6. So I'm going to put a value 6 over here. Now second step. Second step is 7 minus 1 because a dot is there. So my answer is 6. Now 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Okay. So minus 3 means here 10 minus 3. I'm going to put a value 7 over here. So I'm going to put a 7 over here, and since minus is there, I'm going to put a dot below 8. Then third step, 8 minus 1, I have to do it by Ekanyunena Purvena formula. So 8 minus 1 is 7. Now 7 minus 9, 7 minus 9 is minus 2. So 7 minus 9 is minus 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So 10 minus 2 is 8. I'm going to put a value 8 over here. And since minus is there, so I'm going to put a dot over here. I'm going to put a dot over here. So fourth one is 9 minus 1 by Ekanyunena Purvena formula. So that is 8. So 8 minus 8 is, my answer is 0. So I'm going to put a 0 over here. And the fifth number is 4 minus 2, because since no negative value is there, so dot doesn't come over here. So 2 minus 2, sorry, 4 minus 2 is 2. So my answer is 20876. This is how I am going to calculate the
My answer.
80 20876 by Ekanyunena Purvena formula. Okay. Now there is another trick. There is another trick that we are going to study. Now let us consider the previous example that we have taken. Let us consider the example of 534. So this is called as a digit separation method, and this is also a quite easy method, and it also use the same formula of Ekanyunena Purvena. Ekanyunena Purvena. So please don't talk in between. I am recording the session. So this is how I'm going to do it. Now what I'm going to put bars differences over here. Okay. So I'm going to separate the digit. I'm going to separate the digits. Now, first step is what? First step is 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. So this 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put, so I'm going to write an answer over here. I'm going to do a subtraction. So I'm going to put a minus 1 in below. One behind, one behind. I'm going to put a minus 1 over here. So 4 minus 4 is less than 5. So if the subtrahend is less than minuend, then you are going to put a minus 1 over here. So how we are going to solve this one? So 4 minus 5 is 4 minus 5 is again the similar one. You are going to get an answer minus 1. So that is 10 minus 9. You get minus 1. So your answer should be 9 over here. So your answer should be 9. So you are going to put a 9 over here. Okay. Now, don't go for directly putting a minus over here. So this is the second method we are going to. मी ही दुसरी पद्धत सांगतोय. ओके, ही पण पद्धत त्याच मेथडवरती बेस्ट आहे, फक्त दुसऱ्या पद्धतीने आता. नाव सेकंड वन, वी आर गोइंग डायरेक्टली 3 minus 8. Now 3 minus 8. Okay, so 3 is less than 8. 3 is less than 8, so put a minus 1 in previous column. In previous column. Okay, so put a minus 1 in previous column. So how we are going to do it? 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So its complementary number is 10 minus 5 is 5. So you are going to put a value over here as a 5. Okay. Now 4 minus 5 minus 1. Third step is directly you will be putting 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. Now there is no more reduction. So what you are going to do? So you keep 9 as it is. So 5 minus 1 is 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is what your final answer is. This is what your final answer is. So this is also one of the method where you can use the ekadikena purvena formula. So you are putting a minus 1 from the previous value. You are putting a minus 1 from the previous value. Instead of subtracting it from the minuend, you are directly subtracting it for the answer you are getting. Once again, I'll explain it with one of the example. With one of the example, let us consider the example for this one is, let us consider that 300 and okay, just me take 300 and let us consider that 356. Okay, minus 198. So you want to do this by a digital separation method, a digit separation method. So what I'll do it with a digit separate method. So I'm going to put a line over here. So digit, I'm going to separate it. Now I'll start with the first digit. So I'm going to start with the first digit. So let me change the color. With a green I'll go. So 6 minus 8. So 6 minus 8. So 6 is less than 8. So 6 is less than 8. I'm going to put a minus 1 over here. So 6 minus 8 is, sorry, 6 minus 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Okay. Now this is 10 minus 2 is complementary number of 2 is 8. So I'm going to get a 8 number over here. So I'm going to put a 8 over here. Now, next one, the second one. I'm going to start with directly 5 minus 9. I'm not going to reduce 1 from this because here again in this also the 5 is less than 9. 5 is less than 9. So I'm going to put a minus 1 in a previous now column. In a previous column. So 5 minus 9 is minus 4. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So what is that? 10 minus 4 is 6. You will be getting a 6 over here. So you put a 6 over here directly as it is. So you'll be getting the value 6. Now you are going for you are moving toward the third digit. The third digit directly 3 minus 1. You are going to put the value as it is. So it is 2. So this is 2. Now the final answer is the subtraction is over. Now the final answer is 8 as it is. So 6 minus 1 is 6, less 1 is 5, 2 less 1 is 1. So the my final answer is 158. So this is how I'm going to calculate the final answer using this method is called as a digit separation method. Digit separation method. So this is a digit separation method which use the एक न्यूनेन digit separation method. Okay, so this is how we are going to do the digit separation method. Okay, I hope you have understood it.